which basically saves the submitted data into your site's backend. Super useful if you want a record of all entries, even if something goes wrong with email delivery. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and here in the search bar, type in Next Blocks. Once you spot it, click on Install Now, and then hit Activate. Set! The free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now on to the checkout page. Here Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here simply we'll need to navigate to Plugins, then Add New and click on Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and click on Install Now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Nexter Blocks, Dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set! And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Nexter Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Nexter Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Now, let's talk about what actually happens after someone fills your form and hits submit. And honestly, this is where Nexter truly starts to shine. Right here under Action After Submit, you get a drop down that lets you choose exactly what should happen once the form is submitted. And you're not just limited to one single thing. You can select multiple actions and Nexter will run through all of them together smoothly. Pretty cool, right? At the very top of the list, you will see options like database entry, which basically saves the submitted data into your site's backend. Super useful if you want a record of all entries, even if something goes wrong with email delivery.